Hi everyone! Welcome to Mina's Day Vlogs once again. For today's video guys, I will show you how I prepare for my hubby's birthday, which is tomorrow. I will start now. So that is a 2-day preparation. Why? Because first, I will be making his favorite blueberry cheesecake. And for that one, I will chill overnight. So I started already. I have here my molder with crust inside. So let's do this. Be with me with my 2 days adventure in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm done with the crust. Next is the cheesecake itself. Ito yung gelatin. So I will add in there to replace egg. Kaya etong cheesecake na to is no bake kasi hindi tayo maglalagay ng egg. Yan. So, ilagay natin. Look at this. Creamy. Next, tatakpan natin kasi i-chill natin overnight. And put this in the cooler. Let's go. I'm done with the blueberry syrup. I will cover and then put in the cooler. Need to chill this one as well. Okay, kumusta? Kumusta ako? Kaya pa ba? May power pa? May battery pa ba? So, I just tenderize the ground pork. This is for the spaghetti sauce. Okay, so mag-start na tayo. Ito yung aking pot ginamit ko sa pagboboil ng ground pork. Lagay tayo ng konting oil. Hi, buhay! Haggard na haggard yung kusinera, guys. Okay, I can smell the garlic and the onion. I will add diced red bell pepper without the skin. Ako'y nagbabalik, ilagay natin yung spaghetti sauce. Ayan siya. I'm back guys. Ito na yung spaghetti sauce. So last na ilalagay ko, ay hindi pala, pangalawa pala. So, ito ay hot dogs. Oh, meron pang isa. Yan. Last na ilalagay natin, syempre, ground pepper. Oh. Ooh, look at this. Spaghetti sauce. Okay, 5 more minutes I think, then I will be done finally. Okay, good morning everyone. So the cooking continues. I have here my skewer, my bamboo stick. I soak in water para hindi siya madaling masunog sa charcoal later. Let's start. Oh, I will be needing my gloves. Okay, so malapit na matapos ang aking paglalagay ng barbecue pork sa skewer. And soon, magi-grill na po tayo. Okay, and while doing this, hubby is already preparing the charcoal. He making fire already outside. So it's ready. Let's go outside. Let's go in the garden and make some grilling today. Let's go. Barbecue, barbecue kayo dyan. My abanico paypay from Philippines is useful. Yeah, look at the smoke. There.
Nice and soft.
Huh?
The meat is nice and soft. Very tasty.
So good. That's yours? The sample earlier already good. So, yeah. Naimas. Sunog. Ah. Uram. You understand that? Fire. Fire. Uram is Ilocano of fire. Or, yeah. Sunog. Sunog in Tagalog. So after lunch, I will cook the chicken and then cook the spaghetti noodles. If nobody come today, then we have food for 3 days. We just relax, eat.
Maybe we'll check your barbecue.
Still good. Nah. Perfect.
I see it smoking.
Asok. Naasok. This is the best smell. Oh. Not unless it go to your eyes. Oh my God. Imagine that you are crying while cooking. Nice. Hi. Sunog na yung aking marshmallow. Ah. Biti no? Nalpas. Another one down. Okay, pork barbecue. Eto na yung cheesecake na ginawa ko yesterday. Careful. Wow, success. So, I have here a clean cloth. Tapos, medyo binasa ko siya. So, this is damp. And then, I put in the microwave. I warm it. And then, like this. Irarap natin dito sa around the cheesecake na ganyan. Para medyo mag-loosen yung ating cheesecake doon sa molder. So, few minutes lang, i-ano lang natin na ganyan. Okay, so okay na siya. Eto na. Lalagay ko on top na like this. Yung clip niya, i-unlock natin. There. Okay. And then, press down the molder slowly. Very, very slow. Press natin slowly. Ayan na siya, guys. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayan na. Oops. Oh, there you go. So, eto na yung cheesecake. Dahan-dahan lang. There. Ayan, yung cheesecake. Next, meron akong ganito. Dito ko ilalagay yung ginawa ko na frosting. So, eto siya. Maglagay tayo. Ganyan. Homemade, very easy na frosting. Since I have leftover whipped cream from making the cheesecake, so yun ang ginamit ko for the frosting. So, close natin. Careful lang. Oops, like that. Ayan. So, now mag-decorate tayo. My favorite part. Maglalagay lang ako around para siyang injection. Maglalagay tayo dyan like that. Maglagay lang tayo ng decoration na simple lang. Yung asawa ko is so simple. Next, maglalagay ako ng blueberries, yung buo-buo na ganito. Let's go! Okay. So, maglalagay tayo around again. Oop. Lalong naan. Okay, last. There. So, after the cheesecake, I will make fried drumettes. I boil this so that it is really tender. Then, dunk into the beaten egg. Ayan. Gagawa tayo ng chicken joy. After in there, ilalagay natin sa ating breading. So, yung aking breading, ready, mix na siya. Nabibili lang in a packet. Ayan. So, pagkatapos nyan, diretso sa frying pan. Let's do this. Can still accommodate, yeah. Chicken drumettes. Oh, perfect. Ooh, okay na okay yung kulay. So, it's after lunch already, guys. So maybe after this, just the spaghetti noodles, and then I can rest. And maybe when it's 5 o'clock, I will start preparing the table. I'm not sure if our nephew will come because he's busy at work. If he comes, then it's 3 of us. If not, then it's just hubby and me. I cook a good amount of foods. So, kung dalawa lang kami, madaming leftover, then we can freeze it, and then if we are lazy to cook, we get something. That's our style in here. I just cook and then freeze. If we don't feel like going out and buy food, then we get something ready in the cooler. And like what I said earlier, guys, hindi kami, ano ba yun? We don't really like going out and eat, even special occasions, because we are avoiding the crowd, because you don't know what sickness or diseases you can catch outside. Yeah, I'm just thankful that my husband likes my cooking. Oops, what's that? Yan siya. Favorite kasi niya, chicken. So, I have to at least cook one kind of dish for chicken, and this is the easiest. Fried chicken. Still hot. Ito na yung fried drumettes chicken. Lagay natin dyan. Next, ito yung spaghetti. Smells good. Ito yung barbecue. But I need to brush the barbecue. Brush natin para super sarap. Okay. And not to forget the cheesecake. There. Ito siya. But I will put the syrup later when we eat. For the age, secret. The age is secret, so just one candle in there. Picture. Alam nyo na, guys, you know already, vlogger. You have to take picture first before you eat. Relate? Who can relate with that? Ayan, ganyan. Picture muna. Wala pang light yung candle. Ayan. Simple dinner for hubby's birthday. We are like this. We don't really go out. The food is better at home. You see that, guys? Better cook. So the cake I will put later, and you will blow the candle later. Okay, we can eat. Let's open some drinks also. I will still put back this one so it will be cold later. It's just for video purposes. Okay, what? Couple minutes, I have my drink already. Sus. Let's do like this. So, can reach. Okay, let's eat and let's drink. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Love you, love you. There. So this is my plate. Okay, before slicing, what I will solo sing the song. Happy birthday to you. Blow, 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 make a wish. Okay, so you can blow your blueberry cheesecake there. Next is the most exciting part. Let's eat that. Eat it. You slice or me?
Just eat.
Okay, remove that. Because I will be the one to slice kano. And now I have here a big slice of the cheesecake. Let me put the blueberry syrup that I made. There you go. Let it drift down on the cheesecake. Oh, that looked nice. And of course, let's give the birthday celebrant the first taste, the first bite. There you go. Wow, that looks big. Oh, so good, the cake. Especially the crust in there so thick. Oh, and then crunchy, yeah?
Yeah.
And then the blueberry syrup.
And tasty.
Oh. And smooth.
It tastes good. That's the one. Good plan.
Like that. Ooh. Wow.
Happy birthday, Dada. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Dada. Happy birthday, Dada.
Happy birthday. We love you.
We love you.
Hello, Lolo Delbert. I was 5 years old when I see you. Now I'm graduating in elementary school. I hope to see you so soon again. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lola Delbert. See you soon. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.